We have so much in store for you guys tonight. So, pwede bang tanungin natin ulit, next gen, are you ready? Yan, syempre, I love the energy. And of course, bago tayo mag-umpisa sa ating program, let's start our night with a prayer. So please stand for the opening prayer. Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us here tonight. We're thankful for the blessings as well as the challenges that await us for the next quarter of the year. May this training inspire us, teach us, help us gain the tools that we need to build a stable and long-lasting business for 2024 and beyond. Let this business be an avenue or a vehicle to help other people and bless us with an open heart and mind so we may be enriched with the learnings for tonight. Thank you to our mentors, coaches, leaders, and the whole Next Gen team for their time, effort, and dedication, and may you bless them as well as each participant we have here tonight. All these we pray in your mighty name. Amen. Yan. So I'm sure everybody is excited to start, and I'm sure alam niyo naman na yung house rules natin yo. Huwag niyong guguluhin yung upuan. And of course, let's have our ma'am outside of the venue. Okay, so alam na ni Coach Angelo, belated happy birthday po. Yeah. Yes, of course. Syempre para tuloy-tuloy or ma-build up yung excitement natin for tonight, we have an icebreaker for you guys. So we will be playing a game. Okay, so, and to explain the mechanics of the game, we'd like to call on Coach Jessar Cuico. Ayan. Okay ba yun? So, Coach Jessar, paki-explain naman ang ating mechanics.
Grabe. And good evening, Next Gen! And so,
Yes.
Coach,
Sige na, Coach.
so, I know na para at least ma-jumpstart yung ating training. So, we will be having a very quick lang na game, no? So, padamihan ng sponsor, joke lang. So, for our game, we would like you to find your partner. Yan, for the game. Sige, choose a partner. Yan, so, tapos i-demo namin ni Architect Nina, no? On paano natin gagawin yung game. So, bagong-bago to guys, no? So, alam nyo na ito. It's a game called Pula-Puti. Yan, may nakaka-remember ba or may nakakaalam? Yan, so explain na lang din natin. So, face, guys. So, raise your right hand. Yan. Tapos face your partner. Face your partner. Face your partner. Yan. Yung mag-partner doon, nagtalikuran eh. Face your partner. Yan. So, hands up. Face your partner. Then, lagay nyo sa harap ng inyong hands. Yan. Okay. Tapos ngayon, what we would want to do, di ba, partners kayo, mag-assign kayo kung sino yung kulay red or kung sino yung kulay puti. Yan. So, sinong kulay white? Raise your hands. White. Sinong white? Yan. So, syempre, yung kabila, siya yung puti. Tama? Ay, siya yung red.
Pula. Pula ko.
Sorry.
Nalito ka rin. Okay, kung
Hindi,
sino
sadya
yung
talaga.
puti, alalahanin nyo po, puti kayo ha. Yung pula, alalahanin nyo rin na pula kayo. Okay?
Yun. And, syempre yun. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ni Architect Nina, magbabanggit siya ng, the last color na babanggitin ni Architect would be, ang goal is i-grab. For example,
Pag sinabi kong pula, dapat ako yung mag-grab sa kamay ni Coach Jessar.
Yes.
Pero, kung nakaiwas siya, talo ko.
yes,
Talo.
So yung goal ng
Right?
opposite color is iiwas yung kamay niya. Okay, game. Practice lang muna, okay? Again, sinong kulay puti?
Sino yung kulay puti?
Yan. Sinong kulay white?
White.
White po, puti. Sinong kulay red? Yan, okay, game, ready. So ako yung kulay puti. Sige, tapos ikaw kulay red, Architect. Go, ikaw ang mag-ano. Game, sample lang to, sample. Okay, go.
Ano? Pula, puti. Pula, puti. Pula, puti. Pula.
Kasi,
Okay.
yun. Gets. Sige, one more. Trial. Game, ready. One more.
Okay.
So, game ready. Focus. Game ready. Pula, puti. Yan. So, ang goal, first, yung goal is to score the first 3 scores, no? Siya yung panalo. Okay, yun lang po. Go.
Okay, so tatlong round po tayo dito, alright? So, let's go! 1, okay, ready? Pula, puti, pula. Okay. Sino mga nanalo? Wow! Diba? Napakabilis ng reflex natin. Okay. Ha? Yung mga nakailag, yun yung nanalo. Okay? O, next round. Second round, bawi-bawi tayo. Ready? Puti, pula, puti. Oh, yan. So, sino nanalo? Sino naman nanalo? Ay, ang dami. Ang bibilis ng reflexes natin, di ba? Sana ganyan kabilis mag-enroll. Ayan. Alright. Joke lang. Okay. So, last round, third round. Ready? Best of 3. Pula, puti. Lagets. Yeah, ang saya ng mga nanalo. Yes, yung mga nanalo. Yan. Congratulations, guys, di ba?
Bragging rights.
Ang napanalunan nyo po ay bragging rights daw, sabi ni Coach Jello. Alright, so thank you guys for participating. I hope, di ba, na-excite kayo lalo sa ating program or yung training natin tonight. Siyempre, congratulations sa mga nanalo, di ba? Yes, of course. Ayan na. So thank you guys so much for participating. And to keep the excitement, syempre, we will be, diba, keeping the ball rolling and give our loudest applause for this week's Rank Advancers. So part ka ba nun? Part ka ba nung listahan natin na celebrating success one milestone at a time? So first off, we will be awarding our PPPS. Alright, so for our PPPS, congratulations to Sean Henry and lovely Ana Aguas, RN and MBA from Utah, USA. Grabe, Utah, USA. Next. Ayan, so thank you so much. Sige. Please stay on stage for a photo op later. Congratulations to Maricar Joaquin of Manila. Please come up on stage. Ayan, and of course, congratulations PPPS, Ramon Valmonte. Alright, so for our photo op, ayan, si Mentor Rowie. Palakpakan naman natin, PPPS. Grabe, 56 days or less. Grabe yan. And of course, we go on to our believers for tonight. For our believers, same na tao guys. John Henry and lovely Ana Aguas Reyes of Utah, USA. Sabi niya, dapat di na ako bumaba. Yan. And Diane Abigail Cañete of Cebu, congratulations, new believer. Maricar Joaquin of Manila, congratulations, new believer. And Sheila May Reyes of Batangas, new believer. Congratulations. Please come up on stage for your photo op. Eric Santoen of Mountain Province, congratulations. If you are here, please come up on stage. Congratulations, Arnel and Daisy Ursal of Liloan, Cebu. Congratulations, new believers. And of course, we have so much more in store for you after the photo op. Yeah. Congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin sila! New believers, congratulations po! And for our new directors, we have Joselito Pamila! Tito Deo, congratulations. We'd like to hear from our newest director, di ba? Alam ko, Tito Deo, siguro one-liner. One-liner. Ano yung mindset mo going into your run for directorship?
Actually, so 1 hour daw to. Tagal ko na hindi nakakahawak ng mic. Actually, one-liner, siguro lang. Pwede 2, 3. Siguro before ko kasi gawin ito, I make sure na nakipag-usap ako sa mga mentors. And nakapagbigay sila ng mga pointers and learnings bago ko gawin. And of course, na-realize ko kasi, it's all of us, tayo, lagi nating katuwiran, may takot tayo. Meron tayong fear, meron tayong mga pagkakamali. Pero it's okay. Gawin lang natin as long as yung mga pagkakamali, we can turn it into lessons. No? At saka yung fear natin, we can turn it into courage. Kasi everything in life is achievable kapag ginawa natin to. And siguro ang pinaka-the best thing na nagbigay sa akin din ng isang magandang mindset yung pag-attend ko doon sa SMX. That's before, that's after noong recognition. Well, ang nakita ko kasi rito, for you to, para hindi ka mawala sa linya, yung vision mo. Nakita ko kasi yung mindset ng mga leaders natin to sa stage. So nakita ko na lahat ng vision sila in line with the vision of the Dr. Myron Wentz. So, alam naman natin, kailangan natin ng points. Pero ang importante kasi, yung makatulong ka sa kapwa mo. And points and income will follow. So, yun lang, happy to share.
Palakpakan naman natin. Wala bang photo op si Tito Deo on stage? Yan. Congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin ang $600 in a week. Our newest director, Tito Deo Pamilar. Grabe. And of course, syempre ang galing talaga ng message niya, no? Yung sabi ko one-liner, di ba? 1 minute. Joke lang. Tito Deo. So, it was very inspiring talaga, no? We operate on an amazing vision, di ba? And amazing products as well. And of course, with the mindset na anything is achievable. Okay ba yun? Palakpakan naman natin ulit Tito Deo. And of course, for our top apprentice round table qualifiers, our next round of rank advancers and awardees, we have Dr. Maria Roxana Ibalobor, RGC of Negros Occidental. Congratulations! Ayan. If you are here, grabe, grabe! Chriselle Mace Miranya, Quezon! Next is Dr. Sheena Christine Ray Panela of Iloilo. Congratulations sa ating mga TA roundtable qualifiers. Wow, grabe. Of course, ano nga ba yung TA roundtable natin, di ba? Napakagandang opportunity for us to be able to maximize or para masulit ang mga mentors natin. So, for our top apprentice, di ba, ano yung advice nyo sa mga nagra-run ng TA din nila?
For me, I think it's important that you listen to your coaches. So ako, I made sure na every week meron akong consistent na catch up with my coach, si Coach Mina Pearl Miguel, our goal director na nasa Hawaii.
And sa ating newest director as well, Miss Meranya, ano bang tip mo sa mga nagra-run ng TA Roundtable?
Hi guys! For me, perspective kung paano mo i-enjoy yung process mo. And wag mo lang hayaan na zero ka palagi. Tapos alam mo din what excites you. For me kasi yung nagpapa-excite sa akin yung may wini-withdraw ka every week, diba? So yun lang I'm happy to share.
Nakaka-excite talaga yun. And of course, for a photo op, please, ayan, si Coach Jessar and Mentor Rowie. Congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin, TA Roundtable Qualifiers! Hindi biro guys, run yon for 6 consecutive weeks. All right. So for our Directors Guild, we also have Giliera Sayan of California, USA. Congratulations sa ating Directors Guild qualifier. All right. So palakpakan naman natin muli ang ating mga rank advancers for tonight. So excited na ba kayo, guys? parang gusto niyo ulit maglaro nung pula-puti. All right. So, syempre, guys, I'm sure everybody is fired up and excited for more learnings. Bakit? Kasi nga sabi ko kanina, we have been graced by a nightingale. Pero unang-una, 'di ba? Guys, may tanong ako para sa inyo. So, are you ready to be challenged out of your comfort zone? Totoo ba yun, guys? Yeah, parang dito lang eh. Dito ba sa side na to? Yes? Ito na lang ang next question ko. Are you living up to your full potential? May alinlangan, guys. Okay, gusto natin yung yes. Diba? All right. So, guys, next gen, are you ready? It's raining diamonds once again on the next gen stage this Monday as we welcome to our Monday Hustle, next gen's very own gem of a leader, 1-star diamond director. Pero wait lang, guys. Napakaganda ng credentials ng taong to. So, pwede ba na kada sabi natin ng credentials, di ba, mag-wow tayo. Practice nga, wow! Alright, so, she has always been a go-getter. She shares her experiences and personal traits that have helped her to become the best version of herself in whatever endeavor she puts her mind to. Right? Let's go. She is a multi-awarded top leader in USANA Philippines, one of our newest and youngest $1 Million Club members. She is also a consistent top income earner and is one of the most traveled diamond directors. She graduated or finished college with a degree in BS Nursing and graduated cum laude. Grabe. She then joined the prestigious DOH-PGH as an ER nurse and was subsequently awarded, guys, the Florence Nightingale Medal, the highest honor awarded to nurses who have made an outstanding contribution to the nursing profession. Everybody, please put your hands together for mentor Charmaine May Razon Baez.
Sige, tuloy niyo yan, guys. Kaya niyo yan. Na 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 na. Hey, we are next. Na 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 na. Next. Na na. May pahabol, may ending pa yun. Grabe, 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 grabe. Huwag mo na kayo po. Alright. Sige, sige, sige. Dahil dyan, thank you. Ako lang pala inaantay. Huwag mo na kayo upo. Kasi gusto ko maramdaman ang energy nyo, no? Grabe! After 2 years na, since 1.5 years, no? Since I last, stepped on this platform. Yes, on this pedestal. Yan, taray! Excited ako, guys. Hindi yata pag walang tulog, pa-energy. Pero, may tuturo ako sa inyo ngayong gabi. Okay lang ba magturo muna ako bago kayo mo po? Kasi ito guys, yung tinuro sa akin, yung mga nasa online din, dapat gawin nyo to ha, sabay-sabay tayo. Kasi sabi nila, kung ano yung energy mo, yun yung magiging resulta mo dito. Grabe! Energy, no? Okay. Sayang, yeah! Ganyan! O, ito. Wait. Shing! Okay. Natutunan ko to guys, sabihin nyo, wow. Okay, natutunan ko to. Sabi niya, ano? Mali yung tanong there. Actually, ito yung pinunta ko way back 2018 sa Australia. As Aussie, hello, oy. Pero, naalala ko to, no? When MentorNet invited us during that time, 2018, to go to 2018, no? We went to Australia. Few of us, were thinking to go there, and we attended a special training with Tony Robbins. Grabe. Yun yung tuturo ko ngayon sa inyong gabi. Pero bago natin kayo paupuin, eto na, simulan ko na yung tuturo ko sa inyo. Every time sinasabi ni Tony Robbins yung word na yes, sasabihin nyo yes. Pero ito yung yes na dapat gigil ka kasi yung resulta mo dito manggigigil kung nanggigigil ka. Grabe. Say yes! Say yes! Make your move! Yes! Tama yan. Make your move, yes pa rin sagot. Lahat yes lang tonight. Okay, make your move! Say yes! Pero gusto ko samahan niyo yung panampalakpak sabay tadak para mas lumabas yung energy. Make your move! Make your move! Say yes! 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 And million clap para sa sarili nyo. Say yes while you're clapping together. Grabe. Dahil dyan, pwede na po kayong upo. I hope our online viewers right now, hello, I'm live to the 24 countries globally. I'm so excited. Grabe, no? Ay, na-turn off ko pala yung laptop ko. Na-off siya ng kusa. Okay, di bale. Anyhow, alright, no? So,
as we're looking at waiting for our slides to show, no, let me introduce my name. Ako po si May Bais, no? Dati pong Razon ang apelido ko, pero nung napangasawa ko po yung gwapong yon. Ayan. Wala nang sugar coating, no? Tinodo ko na agad. Ah? Wala. I love it. Okay. Okay. So, there you go. Alam nyo, I'm so happy to have this March be close, no, with me here on stage. And it's been a while, like what I said, it's been 1.5 years. Okay lang ba? Pasalamatan ko lang ulit si Engineer Architect Nina for gracing this night with your energy. Dahil sa'yo, nagkaroon ako ng, alam mo yon, same energy tonight. Buti na lang, ikaw ang host namin. Alright? And of course, with Coach Joff at Coach Noel, di ba? Yan yung mga pumilit. Ayan, sa kay Architect Nina. Alam niyo yung mga nagre-register, yung mga tumatayo rito, yan yung mga nag-rank advance. Oo, kaya kung gusto nyo halimbawa mag-rank advance ng todo, ay grabe, no? Subukan nyo paunti-unti yung mag-believer, yung mag-builder, mag-director, parang kanina, no? Si Sir Deo and si Mace. Si Mace sa napakasipag. Where's Mace? Akala ko humahataw ka na eh. Grabe ka naman. Yan. So, anyway, I've been with Sana for 14 years. And, yes, no, maraming salamat sa 14 years. Ika-15th year ng Yusana 2 weeks ago. What an amazing 15 years with Yusana. And you guys are part of it, kaya palakpakan niyo yung sarili niyo. Grabe, ang ganda ko pala sa video. Ayan, kikita ko yung sarili ko. Alright, no? So, okay. Kailangan yata maging host yata muna ako. Anyway, so, as you will see mamaya sa slide ko, no, I am actually in the morning, no, my passions are, I'm a fitness enthusiast. Yes, sinignan niyo agad yung katawan ko, di ba? Mula ulo hanggang paa, kitang-kita ko, na-scan ko na agad. Oo. I do CrossFit. If you're familiar with that, nagbubuhat talaga ako ng weights. Kasi sabi nila, kung gustong pumayat ka agad, dapat magbuhat ka raw ng weights. Oo. Yung cardio, okay yan. Pero mas maganda, if you're gonna buhat weights, di ba konyo? Buhat weights, you're gonna lose more. Yan. So let me begin na. There you go. So that's what I actually love to do. But at the same time, ayan, kung nakita nyo, no, I'm a homeschooling mom as well. So after ko mag-workout, usually that's what I do. I take care of my daughter. Kasi po isa lang po ang anak namin. And it so happened, because isa lang po siya, tinodo na namin, no? In the morning, that's what we do homeschooling. Pero at the back of my mind, na talagang goal ko, kung bakit din talaga ako nag-Yusana, kasi it can give you an opportunity to do world schooling. No? Sino ba rito may mga anak na? Oo. Ayan, yun yung mga lumalaban para sa pangarap, di ba? Sabi nila gumigising. Kahit walang kape, gigising kayo dahil kailangan gumising. Agree? And ito pong picture na nakikita nyo, this is actually in Africa. Yes, and what were us doing there? It's actually a shark diving experience. So hindi pwedeng isama ang bata, but we're just so blessed because during that time, we were actually given a chance na maisama yung bata. So naka-vest lang siya, pero hindi siya lulubog totally. Okay, baka makain ng shark. Okay, ng mommy shark. Okay. Anyway, so si Mentor John na naman, grabe no, yung unang tumayo rito, first week of March, actually, siya yung principal po sa aming pamilya. Yan, mukha po bang principal? Yan. Principal ng fun, no? Hindi kalokohan na, fun. Okay, that's what we actually do. But yeah, so as you're looking into that picture, no? Ito yung mga talagang way back na nagsisimula ako sa Yusana, ito yung mga pinangarap ko nang gawin. Yung magkaroon ng oras sa mga bagay na mas, alam mo yung gusto mong gawin. Kayo ba, kung tatanungin kayo, halimbawa, kung marami kang oras, ano ba yung gagawin mo? Okay lang ba pakisabi sa katabi? Okay lang ba yung mga nasa online, pakitype? Kung hindi mo problema ang oras, ano yung gagawin mo? Ayan. Ako, I'm curious. Anong gagawin mo? Kaya tatapat ko yung camera sa akin. Hello. Anong gagawin mo? Say for example, Rowie, di ba? Kung halimbawang marami kang oras.
Travel.
Grabe, magta-travel ka. Okay, dito tayo sa kabila, tignan natin. Napakaswerte nyo sa harapan kasi kayo yung mai-interview nyo ngayong gabi, no? Kung halimbawa, marami kang oras, ano yung pangarap mong gawin?
Gagala.
Gala! Wow, mahilig ka na mag-travel. Mahilig tayo mag-travel, generation natin yan, ano? Alright. So, the reason I ask you that, kasi it's very important for us to understand why are we going to listen tonight sa ating talk, no? Itong Monday na to. And before that, no, I'd like to introduce myself personally. This is myself. Ganda. Ito yung gandang hindi mo in-expect, di ba? Oh, di ba? So, sa lahat ng mga nakikita nyo naka-highlight dyan, ang pinaka-favorite ko talaga is yung 14 years. Because for 14 years, this company has blessed us tremendously. If not for this company, malamang, wala pa rin akong oras. Yung pangarap nyo mag-travel, malamang hindi ma-enjoy kaagad-agad yan. Alright? So, I'm a one-star diamond director. I'm a premier platinum pay setter. Di ba? Hinighlight ko yan. Okay? Kasi yung first level of success begins with a premier platinum pay setter. Grabe, ba? Sino rito yung mga PPPS? Taas ang kamay. Wow, proud. Okay lang ba? Ikutin mo yung mga mata mo. Sige, taas you guys. Ikutin mo yung mata mo at titigan mo yung mga taong Premier Platinum Pay Setter kasi ito yung mga taong minaximize yung 15% matching bonus lifetime. Okay, thank you. O, di ba? Proud na proud kayo kasi part kayo ng 15% matching bonus lifetime. I love it. Alam nyo, ako rin po ganyan din, ano? The first persons na nakita kong pwede kong tulungan, I love what Tito Deo said kanina, na the people that you're gonna be inviting here are the people that you want to help. And to be honest, yung talagang tao na gusto kong tulungan that time, yung malapit sa puso ko. And that's the reason why, okay lang ba? Isa sa mga taong na-invite ko dito sa apat na yon, si Engineer John Baez. Yan! Kung bakit? Kasi mas magaling siya sa akin. Now, if you are going to get somebody na magiging part ng team mo, it would be nice na same level kayo ng pangarap, ng motivation, ng goal. And kahit alam mong walang pera yan, tandaan mo, sa mga guests tonight, hindi ka dinala rito para pagkakitaan. Dinala ka, pakirinig ka ng yes? Dinala ka rito para tulungan. Okay? Kaya if you're a guest here, welcome to our team. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga guests natin tonight. And of course, we are recognized by the company as Prestige because we have been able to achieve the $1 Million Club. Ayan, so mamaya makita niyo yung income ng $1 Million Club. Sino makita kung magkano ang income ng $1 Million Club? Grabe, no? But I love also that we do life coaching. Kasama ko si Coach Rowie. Yan. Mentor Rowie is here. Kasama ko yung kabatchmate ko yan sa aming life coaching seminar. Yan. And yeah, no? Ma'am, nabanggit ko na fitness enthusiast. Pero yung forward ko ng konti, ang pinaka-love ko dyan, yung faithful servant of God. And tonight, I'll explain more of that to you. Okay? Pero, may gusto sana akong gawin eh. Naalala niyo yung tanong ko kanina? Pag may tinanong ako, may sinabi ako, ang sagot niyo ay? Yes! I love it. So, before ko tanungin yung mga tanong ko, okay lang ba makita ko yung mga guests? Baka pwede kong patayuin lang sila. Tapos, sige na please, no, sa mga guests natin. Ayan, may mga guests pa ba? Si Jackie, hindi ba guest si Jackie? Sige tayo. Wow, ang dami. So, ito, ay guest din. Wow! Okay lang ba yung mas matindi pang palakpakan sa mga guests natin tonight? Welcome po sa inyo. Alright, no? Gusto ko lang pong makita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung Yusana. Pero sige po muna kayo. Okay, papakinggan natin kung gaano kaganda yung Yusana. Kasi sabi nila, yung nakakaalam daw kung gaano kaganda yung Yusana, yung mga tao nandito na rin for how many years. Okay? So ang tanong, maganda ba talaga ang Yusana? Products, maganda ba talaga ang Yusana? Opportunity, maganda ba talaga ang Yusana? So magandang kitaan dito. How about community? Grabe, no? Kaya nga ay isang boses natin. Tama. Ang tanong, ito yung tanong. Maganda ba ako? Grabe, yung mga nasa online, delete sila nag-respond, hindi nila nag-gets kaagad. Okay? Bakit ko natanong yon? Kasi sabi nila sa English, no, pag tinitigan mo yung picture ko, she's pretty. Isn't she? Tama? Sa Tagalog, maganda siya. Hindi naman, di ba? Ay, in fairness, tumawa sila. Hindi ko explain yung joke. Pero grabe, no? Do you agree na maganda ang Yusana? Halimbawa, kung tatanungin ko po, guess po kayo tonight, ano? Ano pong name nyo?
Marina Paulino.
Miss Marina, maganda po ba talaga ang Yusana? Tingin nyo, maganda po ang Yusana bisa nakita nyo ang feature? Sigurado po kayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Agree po ba talaga kayo? Ito po, oh. Nasaan na ba yan? Ayaw yung mandar. Ito. Mag-a-agree ka ba talaga na maganda to? Ito po, nasa picture. Maganda po ba?
Yes.
Parang hindi po malakas yung boses nyo nung sinabi nyo sa akin yung nagduda kayo ng konti, no? Pero gusto nyo ng good news? Kasi kung maganda po ako, yes, she's pretty, isn't she? Yes pa rin. Diba? Maganda siya, hindi naman, di ba? Okay, gets ko na. Ayaw ako sagutin ni Tita Marina. Natawa siya. Tinawanan lang ako. Anyway, this was me, no, way back 14 years ago. And I have no boyfriend since birth. I had no, kasi meron na ako ngayon nag-iisa. Grabe talaga. Yes, gwapo talaga. Ang gwapo, napasagot ako, no? Look lang. Pero 14 years ago, this was me. Hindi dahil kamukha ko si Betty La Fea, pero kamukha ko talaga siya. If you saw me 14 years ago, I was wearing these glasses, was makapal. No? At the same time, yan yung itsura ko. Dahil kung bakit nagkaganyan is because of sobrang stress. Sino rito yung nasa-stress? Meron bang nasa-stress? Meron? Grabe. Ramdam ko yung stress nyo Kasi kung nasa-stress kayo, di ba normal nagkakaganyan? Buti na lang nakita ko yung Yusana, no? Nagbago talaga. Pero, to be honest, I was really working or studying hard, magsunog ng kilay para makahanap ng magandang trabaho. Kasi ang sabi ng magulang natin, mag-aral ka mabuti para makahanap ka ng magandang. Kaya ang hinanap nyo ay asawa. Bakit asawa? Diba? Ibang face ng buhay yun nandito. Dito tayo. So ang hinanap nyo ay trabaho. Pero ito yon, sa sobrang stress, no, yun ang naging resulta. But anyway, I was invited here way back 2010 and actually 2009 pa lang yon. Ang sabi sa akin ng kaibigan ko, pag pumunta ka ng Makati, makakakuha ka ng discount lifetime. Sino rito ang gusto ng lifetime discount? Yes. Yes ang sagot. Yes. Okay. O, diba? And because of that discount, prior to that, I saw Yusana, I tried the product. To be honest, ang alam niya talaga, pupunta ako ng abroad at hindi ako mag-Yusana. Okay? Kasi ang goal ko talaga makapunta kasi yung brother ko was inviting me already to go to New York. Yes, no? At yung pangarap ko talaga makapasok sa Cornell University Hospital. Kasi nandun si Dr. Oz. Doon siya nagtatrabaho. Yung mga magagaling na mga doctors and nurses, they are working in Cornell University. So, I was so eager. Kaya lang ang problema, pagka-graduate ko, walang trabaho. And napunta ako sa Department of Health during that time. And sabi ko sa kaibigan ko, sa sobrang stress, no? Sabi ko, a-absent ako ng 1 linggo. Hindi ako nakapasok na 1 linggo, pero pagbalik ko sa office, sabi niya sa akin, gusto mo? Nakita ko may buti ng Yusana. Hindi ko pa nga tawag, dati ang tawag ko sa Usana. Diba? Pag first time mo narinig, Usana. Pero buti na lang naintindihan ko Yusana pala. Again, wala siyang sinabing opportunity. Ang sinabi niya lang po, product, itry ko raw for 3 days. And you know what, Tita Marina, amazingly, after 3 days, kahit 3 oras lang yung tulog ko, pakiramdam ko nakatulog ako ng 8 oras. So magandang product, Definitely maganda po. Yes. And 4 months later, I resigned from Department of Health thinking I will work in a hospital setup kasi ang pangarap ng mga nurses, mag-work sa isang ospital. Sino po ba rito yung mga nasa medical field? Grabe, nandito sa side na to. Nasaan yung yes? Ayun, I love it. Sa online, meron ba diyang mga nasa medical field? Because I'm sure you can relate with me, no? Toxic, sobra ang trabaho, pero para sa magkano? Imagine I was able to study 6 years. Tayo lahat, 6 years elementary. 4 years high school. 4 years college. Pagka-graduate, magbo-board exam. That's how many years already? 15 years. Pero bakit ganun? Pag-graduate ko 15 years after, ang kinikita ko lang 10,000. Grabe, di ba? Kaya nung sinabi sa akin, vitamins, tapos bibentahan ako, sabi ko, hindi ko kaya. Kasi I was thinking mahal yung product dahil hindi rin in-explain sa akin. Pero buti na lang tong kaibigan ko, sabi niya, itry mo lang. Tapos bayaran mo ako pag may pera ka. At syempre, ayoko naman magkaroon siya ng concern sa finances. I paid, nung isang pares na lang yung natirang tablet sa essentials ko. Essentials ko dati. Alam niyo, tumawag siya sa akin. Sabi niya, May, gusto mo ba ng discounted product lifetime? Sabi ko, oo naman. Wala raw pala kasi sa Watson or Mercury itong product na to. And it turned out, na-invite niya ako rito sa Makati. Just like sa mga guests natin tonight, nakaupo rin po ako. I got presented, and lo and behold, nagsimula ako. Because of the discounted product. Because I believe in the product. And sabi ko nga kung part-time, kikita ka ng $100 to $200, sabi ko, grabe, sa work ko, 10,000 nga lang sa isang buwan. Dito, 5,000 isang linggo. That's 20,000 in a month. Saan ako makakita ng part-time na meron akong 20,000 per month? Tama? That's why, no? Coming from, eventually nakapasok ako sa isang work, but you know, I was doing this part-time. May mga part-timers po ba rito? Okay lang makita yung kamay, okay lang mapalakpakan nyo lahat ng part-timers. Kasi alam kong hindi madali. Tama? Pagod ka na sa trabaho pero pumupunta ka pa para sa opportunity na to. Right? Pero tonight, I'll give you more meaningful experience why you need to do this full-time. Because to be honest, despite I was part-time, I was thinking to do this full-time eventually. No? Tingnan nyo itong product na to. Ito mismo picture na yan. I was a nurse in the morning, working full-time, 8 oras, pagod TY, pero I will find a way to come here because nai-inspire ako sa mga tao na nakita ko. Sa work, ang pinag-uusapan, meron bang sweldo? Meron na bang sweldo? Nakakatawa sa work namin kasi linggo-linggo rin ang income, weekly rin kami. Pero araw-araw sila nagtatanungan kung may sweldo na ba. Sa'yo sanang pinag-uusapan dito, every time pupunta ka, paano kita matutulungan? Yes ba yun? Yes! Grabe, no? Guys, nagtatanungan lagi sa work, may sweldo na ba? And every time nakikita ko yung mga katulad ni Mentor Natsunyo na nandito sa training room natin ngayong gabi, sabi ko, grabe, no? Room boy attendant, hindi nakatapos ang college, pero kumikita ng malaki. Ibig sabihin, may alam siya na hindi ko alam, may ginagawa siya na hindi ko ginagawa. So I had to learn. Yes? And to be honest, this was also the time na I was so inspired. Eventually, I got in PGH. Sa mga nasa medical field, it's really hard to get into PGH. Hindi po ako graduate ng UP, pero it so happened, yung aking dean, sabi niya, doon ka mag-work kasi magagaling yung mga nurses doon. You'll be trained well. Pero sabi ko, grabe, ang hirap pala pumasok doon pag wala kang kakilala at hindi ka graduate ng UP. Kahit anong talino mo, kung wala kang kakilala, mahirap. Lalo na pa, government. Alam niya yan, di ba? Alam niya ng mga taga-online. Pero alam niyo, pumunta ako dito sa USANA, I realized one thing. Dito walang pinipili kahit sino pwedeng maging successful. And I was so encouraged. And alam niyo, doon pumasok sa akin yung Bakit ganun? Pag pupunta ako ng Yusana, na-excite ako. Pag pumapasok ako ng work, sakto lang. Pero pangarap kong trabaho yon. Imagine 500 kaming mga nag-apply. 300 lang kaming pina-exam. Out of 300, 2 lang kaming nakapasok. After 2.5 years sa batch namin. So matindi yung tinatawag na qualification. Pero, paano ko napatunayan na magandang product ng Yusana? Sabi sa paano? Yung boss ko sabi niya sa akin, may ang sakit ng ulo ko, mina-migraine ako, ikaw na yung humawak ng pasyente ko. Sabi ko, yes boss. Di ba? Ganun di ba? Sa work, yes boss palagi. O yung mga nandito, hindi yata nag-yes boss dito No? Nag-yes boss ba kayo? Nandito ba yung boss nyo? Mag-yes boss kayo Kita ko Yeah. So, nag-yes boss din ako sa work. Pero na-realize ko yung isang bagay. Sabi ko, yung product natin maganda, bakit hindi ko i-share? Pinatry ko sa kanya yung good for 2 days. Hindi ko talaga totally na-presentan. Pero pinakita ko, pinatry ko. You know what? After 2 days, sumapit siya sa akin. Alam mo, sabi niya sa akin, alam mo, ang ganda ng product mo. Ano nga yung product mo ulit? Yusana. Sabi niya, ano meron sa Yusana? And lo and behold, tinisentan ko siya. Because she was able to feel the effect. And you know what? Because of that instance, shinare niya sa mga kaibigan niya, it turned out, in 1 week, I had 7 pay-in a week. Right? Tanong, maganda ba yung nag-present sa kanya? Hindi. May resulta na ba? Wala pa. Magaling na ba mag-present? Hindi pa. Pero kung may isang bagay na sigurado ako, maganda yung product, the product will speak by itself. And doon ko na-realize, sabi ko, grabe, gagawin ko yun sana kasi ang ganda, hindi ka napapahiya. Papakita mo lang yung libro, good for 10 minutes, nai-encourage sila mag-try ng product. And may mga kumukuha sa akin, tas kumukuha pa ulit kasi papatry daw nila sa mga kaibigan nila, sa mga kamag-anak nila. Pero alam niyo kung saan ako mas na-excite pa? Tanong niyo sa akin, saan? Dito na nga, na-invite ako dito sa mga ganitong mga training. Alam niyo dito sa Yusana, marami mga opportunity for you to be in a community where you will be inspired. And I was so inspired with this couple na nasa baba, Hindi ko pa kakilala dati si Mentor Nat kasi parang mahirap kunin yung oras niya. Pero itong mga to, grabe to. Mentor Clark and Ian de Guzman, dati single pa yung mga yan. Sige, palakpak nyo. Todo nyo yan, Nilibre raw kami. Sabi namin saan? Yung magbabaril-barilan nga, anong tawag doon? Yung airsoft. Kakabisada pa ni Coach Rowie. Mag-i-airsoft daw kami, tapos after nun, mag-wensha kami. Alam niyo yung wensha? Yung spa, yung may massage, yung may pagkain. Tanong, kung wala kang kinakain, payat ka, sasama ka o hindi? Walang pag-aalinlangang sumama po ako. Dahil libre. Pag libre, gusto natin yan. Pero doon ko rin na-realize, alam mo, kaka-attend ng training, sabi nila, yung mga tao rang nag-i-stay sa Yusana, sila raw yung yumayaman. Alam mo kung saan ako na-excite? Tanong niyo sa akin, saan? Kasi sabi ko dati, ang mindset ko pagdating sa mayaman, ang greedy ng mga tao. Tama? Pag sinabing pagyaman, yayaman ka rito, feeling ko, lolokohin ka lang. Pero nung na-realize ko, guys, sa Bible, minention ang word na money 140 times. And yung concept ng money, more than 2,000, yung kanyang meaning sa Bible, possession, tithing, it's about money. It's even mentioned more compared to the word faith and prayer. Because why? Because God wants to give wealth to those people na gustong matulungan ng Panginoon para maging blessing sa ibang tao. Yes? When I realized that money is for you to be an instrument of help for others, sabi ko, kung pagyaman ng pag-uusapan dito sa Yusana, bakit hindi ako pupunta? Alam mo, dahil naniwala ako yung matira mayaman, sabihin nyo nga sa katabi nyo, matira mayaman. Diba? Matira mayaman. Guys, Alam nyo, naniwala ako doon. Pinanghawakan ko yon. At grabe itong picture na to. Yan, ang dami na mukhang nakatago, no? Maniwala kayo, yung mga natira, yumaman. Coach Rowie, Ruby Director, di ba? Executive. Grabe, no? Coach Jen Dichanco, direct din ni Coach Rowie, di ba? Mentor Rowie. Nandiyan ba siya? Hindi, yung asawa yung nandito, no? Nilagay ko dyan na Dichanco Isguera. Oh, di ba? Ruby Director din. Imagine, ano? Who else? Beverly. Nandito ba si Sir Mike C? Di bale, yung grabe humahataw na siya, Ruby Director din. Guys, yung Ruby Director, kumikita yan ng 400 to 500,000 per month. Pinapalakpakan yan. And of course, buti na lang, no, nakita ko kung paano yung galawan dito. Nakopya natin sa mga mentor. And of course, kay Mentor Natsun na nandito ngayong gabi para suporta rin. Okay na ba? Palakpakan natin yung mga mentors natin in the business. Pero bakit ko hina-highlight to? Simple lang, no? Gusto mo bang matira rito? I'm sure you can. No, huwag kang magsawa mag-training. I remember yung mentor ko, sabi niya sa akin, I was so excited nung nagsisimula ako. Sabi ko, mentor, may invite ako, may guest ako. Gusto niyo malaman ko anong profile ng guest ko? Summa cum laude. Sabi ko, mentor, coach, sabi ko, may guest ako. Finally, nabaoo ko na yung summa cum laude namin. Pupunta siya, presentahan ko to kasi sigurado ako, pay-in to. Points mo rin to. Yeah? Kaya sigurado ako. Todo ko to. Alam nyo guys, ang sabi niya sa akin, May, okay lang ba? Alam ko excited ka. Pero mas importante yung Monday training natin. Kasi natapat Monday po eh. Alam nyo, I wasn't interested to go to the Monday training kasi unang-una dati may bayad. Ngayon ba libre? Grabe, naka-live telecast pa tayo sa Zoom, oh. Guys, no? Libre, di ba? Pero grabe, nung time na yun, may bayad. Sabi ko, mentor, wala akong pera. Magpe-present na lang muna ako para sigurado ako. Meron akong sure na pasok this week. Alam mo, sabi niya sa akin, May, mag-training ka. Maniwala ka sa akin, pag nag-training ka, mas magiging magandang resulta. Yes. Yes. Ganyan din yung yes ko, malungkot. Yes. Sino ma-excite? Summa cum laude, i-risked ko? Diba? Sigurado ako mag-IPA niya, may tiwala level eh. Pero guys, ganito yun, Sabi nila, makinig ka, walang gagawing ikasasama mo yung mentor mo, kaya naman, nakinig ako. And you know what? After ng training na yun, I was so excited, I was so inspired. Paglabas ko, nirisked ko yung aking presentation. Grabe, alam nyo ba? Pag-present ko yung energy ko, hindi 50-50. 100% parang ganito. Kaya naman on the spot pain yung aking summa cum laude na guest. Right? Ano yung point ko? Kung halimbawang Monday na tapat ang guest mo, you make sure nandito ka sa Monday hustle natin. Kasi ngayon libre na nga eh, di ba? Tapos ang gagaling at may resulta na yung mga speakers natin. Speaking of, I just wanna appreciate the first speaker that we had 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. Okay lang ba? Palakpakan natin si Mentor John Bais. Grabe. Ayan. Thank you, Mentor John. And of course, Tito Zaldi Lizardo. Ang gagaling, di ba? And of course, ang ating mentor din, Emerald Director. Yan, kabiyak ni Kapitan Arnel, si Mentor Mau. Grabe, no? If you're watching right now, we're so proud. I'm so proud of you. I just want to say I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, Mau. No? I'm just proud of them. Kasi kung tatanungin niyo ako, hindi ako magaling. Gumaling na lang. Hindi ako yung katulad nila na mataas yung energy, yung magaling magpatawa. Sabi ko nga kay Jan, turuan mo ako ng joke ko, ha? Sabi niya, wag mong i-explain yung joke. Kasi pag in-explain mo, di na joke yun. Wala akong in-explain kanina, ha? Sinabi ko lang, she's pretty, isn't she? Maganda siya, di naman, di ba? Natutunan ko sa kanya. Anyway, grabe. Grabe! Grabe talaga. Kahit hindi ka marunong mag-joke dito, mapapaka-joke ka talaga. Diba? Pero I'm doing this kasi, alam nyo kanina I was meditating. Magsasegue lang ako, no? We came from the Australian Embassy to apply for a visa because we wanted to give my daughter a gift during her birthday. Tapos, syempre, sa aming mag-asawa, celebration namin anniversary. Grabe ba? Kaya nga sabi ko, swerte ni John pa, isa pangasawa niya ako eh. Pero more importantly, no, puyat po ako, hindi pa ako nakatulog simula kagabi. Ang tulog ko parang 15 minutes lang. Pero sabi ko, Lord, pupunta ako rito, magte-training ako, ibibigay ko yung best ko kasi I want everybody to be able to appreciate the opportunity that we have. And I know, deep inside, all of us need to heal. Need to heal from what? From all the pains outside, sa stress na nararamdaman natin, di ba? Dito kasi puro positive tayo, kaya naman talaga ima-maximize natin yung pagiging positive. Yes? Going back, when I realized, no, sabi ko ito yung opportunity na hinahanap ko. You know what? My career, mahirap makapasok, pero alam nyo, 5 months after, I gave up my job. Not because gusto kong yumaman lang, but because I saw the mission of helping others pagdating sa product that we have. And you know what? I took the big risk. Sabi kasi ni Robert Kiyosaki, yung mga successful na mga tao, they are the ones who take the big risk. Na more than the failure, they are focusing on the success so that whatever happens, they can maximize the success that can happen for them. Tanong, sino rito ang gusto maging successful? Ang sagot ay sa online, type mo, yes, no? Tapos na tayo sa era ng 1. Type 1. If you say yes, you wanna say yes. Pero to be honest, nag-take risk talaga ako. Pero ito yung maganda. Binilangan ko lang ng 3 buwan. Sa mga first time po rito, Usana is not a normal opportunity. But let me tell you, the product, it's really, really, really good. Hindi kayo mapapahiya. The opportunity, you will be able to see professionals katulad nyo na nandito ngayon who are doing this aside from your job. Dinadagdag nyo pa to, no? And I just want to emphasize one thing. Kung sipag at sipag, lahat tayo masipag. Naniniwala ako walang taong tamad. Wala lang tayong tamang direksyon sa buhay. But if you were able to find your real purpose in life, you can become successful. You can become purposeful. Yung sipag at tiyaga, sabi nga ni mentor natin, yung sipag at tiyaga, may nilaga ka, di ba? Pero tamang opportunity, karamihan wala tayo niyan. Pero ilagay mo rito, magkakaroon ka ng success na tinatawag. I was so excited with that idea, to be honest. Bakit? Sabi ko, ang sipag-sipag ko sa trabaho, ang pasyente ko 20 kada araw. Walang kainan. Guys, most usually puyat kami dahil galing ako sa Usana, magpa-part-time, papasok sa trabaho, 5:30. 2:30 na tatapos ang trabaho ko sa emergency room. Between 2:30 to 5, bumabiyahe ako papuntang Usana. 5 o'clock, nandito ako nagpa-part-time. Ay ko nakapagod. Pero the more I come here, the more I enjoy to the point na uuwi ako. Yes, pagod ako, pero sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, super worth it. And when I claim that, kahit 2 oras lang ang tulog ko, sabi ko, what if yung effort na ginagawa ko sa trabaho ko, ilagay ko sa Usana, what could be the possibilities? Ask yourself, if halimbawa, yung energy mo, yung pagod mo, yung talino mo, ilalagay mo sa Usana, what could be the possibility? You know why I'm asking this? Ask me why. Because when I resigned from my job, it was my personal decision. But to be honest with you, yung sipag at tiyaga na meron ako sa trabaho, nilagay ko rito, tamang opportunity. 3 months later, I became from achiever to goal director. Gusto niyo ba ng resultang yon? Yes. Guys, an achiever is earning part-time $400. That's $20,000 per week. Or, di ba, 80,000 more or less in a month. Sabi ko, yung effort ko ilalagay ko rito, what if lumaki lalo? And to be honest, the income went to 200,000 after 3 months. Sinasabi ko to kasi kung nagawa ko, kayang-kaya mo rin. Diba? All it takes is a decision. Look at this. After 3 months, no, or within the 3 months, the result of that decision, because tinoto ko yung effort dito sa USANA, I became, of course, a director. Kasi the next after achiever, $400 is $600. That's director. Parang kanya si Mace and si Sir Deo, Tito Deo, no? Malapit na yan. Excited ba kayo? Sa mga hindi pa director, excited ba kayo? Kasi pag nag-director ka, malapit na yan. Malapit na yung mag-gold director. Tingnan nyo mabuti ha. When I was a director, tinodo ko, in a matter of 3 months, I became a gold director. I was with people who are very positive. Yung nanay ko na sinasabi sa akin dati, tikas sa ulo mo, usa-usa na kaya naman. Bakit ka mag-resign sa trabaho mo? Ang ganda-ganda ng trabaho mo. Pinag-aral kita ng 15 taon tapos bibitawan mo lang. At the back of my mind, hindi niya maintindihan. Pero sabi ko, one day. And you know what? When it came true, even yung brother ko na napaka-negative, I hope he's not watching. Pero kung nakinunod ka man, hello. Napaka-negative. Sabi ko, pupunta ako ng US. I will tell him and prove him I made the right decision. No? The travel, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, it was my first travel to USANA. And imagine, I was able to present yung dating mahihain, yung dating pangit, gumanda, gumaling. Hindi dahil kusang gumaling na lang talaga siya. No? Because of the circumstances, imagine Dina Bonnevie, magpe-present ka. Sino ba naman ako? Yes, di ba? Angelo De Leon? Yes! sorry. In-inject ko lang yon. Pero, well, hindi ako magaling pero gumaling na lang by circumstances. And imagine, you will be able to meet Dr. Myron Wentz. And because of that energy that I have in me, say yes! Yes! Guys, no? Pinakasalan ko po si John Baez. Pinakasalan, parang ako yung grabe siya, no? To be, sa mga single, alam nyo, hindi pa po siya nagpo-propose. I made sure, pupunta na kami ng mga bridal fairs. Para sigurado. Sa mga single, nagbibigay ako ng tip para siguraduhin yung magbibigay ng singsing yan. Dalhin mo sa bridal fair. Kasi nung pang-4 na beses na, siguro, nakaramdam na siya, no? Guys, binigyan niya ako ng engagement ring right then and there sa tindahan ng bridal fair. Diba? Nag-propose siya doon. Pero bakit ko sinasabi yun? Kasi guys, no, sa akin kasi, sobrang mahal ko tong taong to. Okay lang siguro maging cheesy, no? Kumahal mo naman eh. Sabi ko, hindi ako papayag na normal lang na wedding para sa kanya. Gusto ko yung best wedding sa kanya. Kaya nga, ang haba ng hair mo, tatapakan ko na rito. Alam nyo, itong wedding na yan, ay ang nakikita nyo lahat ng mga suppliers namin, these are known in the wedding industry. I'm sure Michi would agree with me. Grabe, no? From zero na funds, would you imagine after we were able to, before we got wed, we were able to become gold director pareho. And lahat ng nakita nyo dyan na bayaran namin, galing sa USANA. Sige, todo mo yan, guys. Ang hirap pala kumuha rin ng mumurahin lang. Kasi ang sakit sa ulo, promise. Pero if you have the best in the industry, sa mga ikakasal, maniwala ka, it will be a breath of fresh air. It's gonna be easier for you to manage it. At grabe, sobrang mahal na mahal ko tong taong to. Hindi ako pumayag ng isa. Kundi 3 beses ko siyang pinakasalan. Hindi talaga ako pumayag. Sabi ko, kahit saan, pakakasalan kita. Sana all. Guys, sa panahon ngayon, hindi lang lalaki ang gumagawa ng paraan. Baka pwede rin mga babae rin pag may time, di ba? Hindi nakakahiya yan. Kung mahal na mahal mo, itodo mo. Okay? Pero sa mga single, gusto ko lang i-emphasize to. Yung kasal, minsan para sa inyo yan, pero minsan para din sa magulang natin yan. Because they deserve the best honor and respect for, giving us an opportunity na maalagaan. Diba? Si tita gumaganon, yes, yes. Yan, oh. I feel you. Diba? Para sa mga magulang yan. Lalo na yung magulang ko, single parent, she deserves it so much. So I know it was also for her more than it was for us. Also, I wanna, because, guys, hindi ko sosolohin yung success. If it's not for these people who are in this picture, walang May and John Vice. Sila yung dahilan kung bakit nandito po kami sa pedestal. And I'm just so happy because I know our success is because of them. Okay lang ba patayin ko lahat ng Next Gen Champions na nandito ngayong gabi? Next Gen Champions, sayo kayo! Ayan, no? Nagbabalik pa lang kami, guys. Pero tandaan nyo, 3 months from now, hindi kami papayag na hindi kami marami sa office. Ha? Of course, no? Si Doc Chari, si Tita, of course, si Tita Maika, ayan, si Eli, nandiyan din si Cap Arnel. Thank you so much. Thank you, champions, no? Before the event, we were able to gather. Ang sarap pala talaga kasi many of us, yung mga nasa probinsya, I'm just so proud of you to become us champions. Guys, na tayo champions, by the way. Just so happen yung team namin, champions, Next Gen champions. Sobrang sarap pala ng pakiramdam na nag-spend time ka sa team mo. Kasi yung success na meron kami ngayon, hindi yung dahil sa amin, it's because of them. So I'm giving them the tribute as well. What we have, we're sharing it to them as well. Okay? Mahalin niyo yung team nyo. Kasi sila yung magbibigay sa inyo. Sila yung tutulong sa inyo pag nangangailangan na kayo. Sa mga guests nyo, pag may makateam ka, tutulungan ka nilang mapapayin yan. Ha? Kaya mahalin niyo yung mga kateammate nyo. Hindi yung mahalin na iuwi mo, ha? Oo, iba yun, okay? Yung lang, yung mahalin mo dahil nagtutulungan tayo. Eto pa guys, no, sa sobrang mahal na mahal ko tong asawa ko, binigyan ko ng sasakyan. Ayan. Pag nakita niyo yan sa baba, malamang, yan, kay John Vice yan. Hindi ko na talaga matarok yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo. No? Dahil nag-BBPS siya. Okay lang ba yun? Kasi direct ko siya, kaya yung 15% matching bonus niya, okay lang ba yun? Bigyan ng sasakyan? Kaya guys, ingatan nyo yung mga matching bonus na yan, yung PPPS. Kung hindi ka PPPS ngayon, you make sure PPPS ka. Kasi grabe ang PPPS na yan, maraming magbabago. Magbabago pati yung buhay ng mga nakasama mo, mga kasama mo. Diba? Sino gusto dito ng sports car? Yes! Kung hindi sports car, sino ko dito gusto ng sasakyan? Guys, alam mo yung yes mo na yan, yung lakas ng yes mo, nakadepende dyan kung magkakaroon ka ng blessing na yan. Sino rito ang gusto magkaroon ng sasakyan? I love it, no? Guys, because of this opportunity, we were able to buy, una, yung mumurahin lang, Amaya Skies, Cubao. Yan lang yung tinarok ng aking $400 income. Pero I remember, it was the first day of selling. Tinake advantage ko kasi 8th floor. So kumuha kami ng 2 agad. Hindi ko alam kung saan kukunin yung bayad. Pero nag-sign up lang ako kasi sabi nga, pwedeng ibenta, kikita ka pa rin. Pero imaginein mo, no? Swerte ng pagkabuntis ko, 2 agad yung natanggap ko na kondo. No? Yung isa, 2 unit sa Amaya. Yung isa naman, dito sa Makati, Greenbelt Hamilton. It's a 2-bedroom. Alam nyo, nung nag-start ako, nung sinabi sa akin na, magkano yung pang-start niya ulit? Ay, nagdilim yung mata ng mga guests. Wag magdilim ang mata. Gusto niyo malaman kung bakit? Gusto mo malaman kung bakit? Napresenta na kayo? Anong name mo, madam?
Jack.
Jack, napresentan ka na? Or literal, ito yung first time mo umatay ng training, pinaupukan lang? Napresentan ka na. So, ang tanong, Jack, maganda bang Yusana? Maganda ba ako? Okay, joke lang. Definitely yung sagot niya. And then, bakit ko nasabi yun? Because the condominium that you see on the left side, Alam mo, pikit mata yan. Nagkakaroon kami ng income sa Yusana. And sabi ko, pag tinanggap natin to, ang overhead natin, 450,000 na utang per month. Pero alam mo, lakas loob kasi sabi namin, ang ganda na opportunity ng Yusana. And imaginein mo, wala kaming pang start 3 business center. Yung pinangsimula ko, credit card, inutang ko. Yung pinangsimula ng napangasawa kong kaibigan, inutang niya sa akin, galing doon sa pang-abroad ko. Diba? So, ganun kami nagsimula. Pero anong gusto ko i-emphasize? Yung nakikita mo ngayong condo na yan, 2-bedroom, it's giving us right now 45,000 per month. Totally from zero, but because of this opportunity, we get to have this property kung saan ngayon, nagbibigay na siya ng 45,000 per month. Magkano ang condominium sa Makati? Magkano? Ay, Tito Deo, magkano po? 2 bedroom po. Ito kasi may-ari kasi ng realty property to eh. Kung mayaman, di ko na nga alam kung bakit nagyuyusan na to, mayaman na to. Tito Deo, magkano po ang 2 bedroom sa Makati?
Makati, minimum of 15 to 20 million.
15 to 20 million. Saan kami kukuha ng 15 to 20 million? Pre-selling. Ngayon po, magkano ng bentahan? 40 million, 2 bedroom, no? Grabe, buti na lang. Buti na lang nagyusana kami. Kaya sa mga guests po natin tonight, I hope pag naparinig po sa inyo kung ano yung presentation, huwag magdilim ang mata. Tingnan mo yung possibilities. Yes, diba? Sino rito gusto ng property? Guys, tingnan nyo mabuti to ha. We were able to buy recently during pandemic a property. Hindi pa to yung dream house. Pero grabe, no? Sa gitna ng pandemic, sobrang mahal ko. Nakita nyo yun, ano? Alam nyo, yung bahay na yan, sobrang blessing yan sa amin. Alam nyo kung bakit? Ask me why. 300,000 lang ang down payment niyan. Pero dahil may tamang opportunity, right then and there, walang dalawang isip, kinuha namin yung property. Because of Yusana. And mind you, sa sobrang mahal ko, yung asawa ko, binilihan ko ng Ogawa. Yung premium. Diba? Tingnan mo, you are my forever. I love you. Pero to be honest, sabi niya kasi sa akin, massage mo naman ako. Sabi ko, alam mo dyan, gustong-gusto kitang i-massage. Pero mas maganda, i-leverage ko rin pag may time. Ang tawag dyan, matalinong asawa. Alam nyo na. Sa mga online natin, alam nyo na, ha? Okay? By the way, may grupo pala si John Baez. Gusto niyo malaman ko anong grupo niya? Tigasin. Oy guys, hindi to yung tigasaing, tigaluto, ha? Mind you. Ito yung social version. Tanong sa akin, bakit? Ito yung dating tigasin sa ayaw magyusana, pero nung nagyusana na, nag-enjoy na ng buhay dahil sa kanyang asawa. Kasi, ayan, diba? Tigasin. Yan yung tigasin dati na hindi pa nagyusana, nung na-convince na, ngayon, mabait na. Tigasin. Gusto nyo maging member? Kasi pag halimbawa, yung mga may mga partner lang ha, pag kayo yung, bibigyan ko kayo ng guide paano i-bless yung mga asawa nyo. Paano kayo mamahalin pa ng todo. Okay? Anyway, blessing po yan, ano? Pero ito yung talagang goal namin that time. To be honest, we were looking for a way na magkaroon ng bahay. And during pandemic, hindi ma-release yung aming titulo. So, anong ginawa namin? Kasi ito yung supposedly nagtatayuan ng bahay, yung corner lot na yan, through and through, katapat ng clubhouse. To be honest, mahirap makakuha ng property na ganyan, pero imaginein mo, in-approve kami ng bangko. No, papagawaan na sana namin, hindi lang natuloy. Bakit? Kasi may iba palang plano ang Lord at this time, pero imaginein mo, okay lang ba lahat na nandito sa office ngayong gabi na nakikinig na ng training, pupuntahin ko kayo dito sa bahay na to? Okay lang ba? Ito yung tinatawag kong Yusana opportunity na kakaiba. Hindi nyo na-appreciate, no? Ito yung front-facing yan. Mentor John used to be a resort engineer. That's why yung aming bahay, it's going to be a resort-inspired. Ayan. May swimming pool, pagbaba ng tubig doon, may koi. O, di ba? Yung koi, dapat makita ngayon. Pero this is a property that we are gonna work on now. Fast forward ka ng konti yung ating resulta ha, kasi meron akong gusto ipakita sa inyo. Guys, we owned our birth. When we were given an opportunity to have a child, we had our pure birth. Nagnganak ako sa bahay, no? Hindi dahil sa nagtitipid kami, pero we wanted to have a beautiful birth na may sarili kaming videographer. Oh wow, may videographer sa may dula kami, may midwife, no? Every birth is unique. It just so happened, I'm from the medical field and I realized I wanted to have that kind of birth. Speaking of, I want to recognize si Doktora Michelle na nandito tonight, no? Okay lang ba? Bigyan lang natin ng honor ng ating doctor. Alam mo, hindi madali mag-decide for that, pero buti na lang makatinad katabi lang namin. So 5 minutes from there, anything goes, we can go there. No? And we are blessed with one child. Pero gusto ko lang i-share din sa inyo, yung anak ko, 7 years old, pero binigyan namin ng little debut. Kung saan talagang tinodo rin talaga namin to appreciate God's blessing for us. Eh, pwede na ba? Yan ang ibibigay sa inyo ng USANA opportunity. Pero I wanna emphasize this. Hindi namin binigay sa anak namin yan dahil lang, alam mo yun, dahil lang gusto namin or mag-show off. Hindi. Ginawa namin yan kasi gusto namin mag-create ng memories with her. So that when she grows up, she will remember that kind of birthday. And she will be able to appreciate God's blessing in her life. Okay? It's not about boasting. It's about really making that moment be so beautiful because she's a gift from God. Alright? And grabe itong batang to. Imaginin mo, daig ka pa ni Bay, di ba? 4 ang visa, US, Shenzhen, Korean, South African, Australia pa mamaya, di ba? Why not? Pero with all this, we were able to enjoy a beautiful travel. Sabi mo kayo na mahilig ka mag-travel. Rowie, travel. This is the kind of travel that, you know, USANA, there are a lot of travels. You wanna go to Dubai? South, ano ba yung meron ngayon? South Korea? Hindi North Korea. Okay, South Korea. We have Las Vegas on the board, di ba? Nando doon. Pero who would have thought? Lahat kami naka 10-year multiple entry. And last 2 years, we went to a Disney cruise. So far, so good. Wala kaming pera, pero dahil sa USANA, yung pinangbili namin ng ticket dyan, going to Bahamas, galing sa USANA. Hindi ko kayo iniinggit, guys. Gusto ko lang makita nyo kung ano yung meron sa opportunity mo. Believe me or not, that's the best cruise that I've been to. No, walang babaan. Nai-enjoy mo si Mickey Mouse. Ayan. Pero sobrang ganda, promise. No? If you have an opportunity, eventually, go for a Disney cruise. Medyo mahal lang siya, pero pag nag-guyo sana, kayang-kaya. Eh? Ay, sorry naman. Nagpakita ng skin. Mentor May sa local, may nagustuhan kang travel. Hindi rin to bigay ng USANA, pero yung pinampunta namin dyan, yung napanalunan namin, dahil we were able to become qualified for growth, for, ano nga yung Sri Lanka, hindi natuloy yun ng pandemic, ginamit namin yung pera, pumunta kami ng Mount Pulo. And we spent 4 days and 3 nights there, and it was the best birthday that time for me, kasi birthday ko rin. Oh, di ba? Birthday ko rin ang time na yan. Okay? Pero Mentor May, mas maganda pa ba? Yes. Can I recommend something? Naipalad is the only 6-star resort here in the Philippines. Kung saan wala kang iisipin, wala kang ilalabas sa pera kasi lahat ng gusto mo, lahat ng pangarap mo sa isang travel, all in na. Gusto mo ng crabs, they will make a way to feed you, give you crabs. Wala silang menu. Kung anong sasabihin ng kakainin mo, yan ang ipiprepare nila sa'yo. Okay? Hindi ko masyado i-describe kasi baka, di ba? Gusto ko makita nyo, i-research nyo yung Naipalad. Kung magkano, para meron din kayong target goal. And here, speaking of adventure, isa sa mga naging adventure namin, nag-knee boarding ako, no? Mahilig po ako sa adventure, the reason why I love doing USANA. And that time, would you believe, pasok yan sa package nila. Yes. Okay? Ayan si Jan, inaano niya ako. Chini-cheer niya ako. Ang hirap pala umakyat sa keyboard.
Nice one!
Oo, di ba? Puro cheer lang si John Bais. Kaya yan ang napangasawa ko eh. Okay? And this time, ito naman, sinama ko yung anak ko. Donut. Donut ring ang tawag dyan. Sa gitna ng dagat ng Siargao. Diba? Kasama rin yan. Pero ang hindi ko makalimutan was this. Okay? Gusto ko titigan nyo si John Bais kung anong ginawa niya rito. Tingnan nyo yung kamay niya. Tingnan nyo yung kamay niya. Kumakapit pa. Okay? Birthday ko rin to. No? Road trip sa Australia. Nag-skydive kami. Do you want this kind of adventure? Dapat yan yung goal mo pag pumunta ka ng Las Vegas. Di ba? Saya, di ba? Oh, friends pa kami Australiano, di ba? Sana all. Pakisabi nga sa tabi, sana all. Sa mga titas po natin, hindi pa huli ang lahat, pwede rin po natin gawin yan, okay? Pag hindi mo gusto yung skydive, ito yung gawin natin. Ano meron dito? Bungee jumping naman. Yung pinakamataas sa bungee jump sa buong mundo, sa South Africa.
Are you recording? Oh, yeah. Recording? Yes, recording.
Tito Deo, gusto mo? Tutulak ka raw para mag-diamond. Sarap ba? Sarap? Gusto niyo yan? Maingay banda rito. Pag gusto niyo nga, pakisabi yes! Dahil pag kiniklaim mo, mangyayari sa'yo, say yes! Make your move! Grabe, no? Pero May, ano yung pinaka-meaningful sa lahat ng travel mo? Ito yun. No, it was during that time we were able to give the gift. Guys, no, sa pamilya namin. Pero I'm sharing this kasi, you know what, why I chose this as the most meaningful. I remember when we were starting, pag sinabi ng mentor, mag-training ka kahit pagod ka na sa work, pupunta ka, di ba? Yung tipong kahit Sabado na, mag-spend time ka sa family, magta-training pa rin. Sa linggo, minsan may pepresentan ka pa kasi kailangan daw. Mag-hit ng PBPS. Alam nyo, way back 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, those were the times na talagang sacrifice. Sometimes iniisip ko, tama ba talaga itong ginagawa ko? Did you also feel that? Pero imagine mo, during that time, no, kung mag-i-spend ako ng time para mag-work for the next 40 years, mas hindi ko yun kaya. If there's a way na mapabilis ko yung resulta in the next 5 years, bakit hindi? And nakakatuwa lang, dahil lahat ng sakripisyo namin, yung pag-miss namin sa mga reunion, pag-miss namin sa mga birthday, pag-miss namin sa mga church events, tiniis ko yun lahat. Sometimes I feel sad kasi sabi ko, Lord, di ba ang goal ko was serve ka? Pero alam mo, isa sa mga mentor dito, Mentor Ed, I can't forget what he said about your affiliation sa church. Sabi niya sa akin, there's a lot of way for you to serve. And one of the areas that you can serve is through finances. What if you can give more? What if you can tithe more? Maraming mga taong matutulungan. And I realized, sabi ko, that could be the way for me to help also the church. Diba? Tama ba? Kaya yung tiniis namin for 4 years, dito namin, finally ibinigay. Tingnan nyo naman, bakit hindi memorable? Isang kainan lang namin, 33,000, di ba? Ewan ko lang kung hindi ka maging memorable na travel. Dahil sa inyo, nagkakaroon kami ng opportunity to maximize this community. Hindi sila bayad, but they're helping out of their willingness to help all of us here. And again, these people who stayed beside, I'm proud of you, champions, no? Next gen champions. Because of them, we were able to become a $1 million club member and we were recognized in the company. Okay? Pero bakit ko lahat pinapakita to? Itong tanong ko sa inyo, gusto mo ba talaga magka-resulta sa iyo sana? Because if the answer is yes, I will talk about this briefly, how you will be able to make it. Marami sa inyo nagtatapos ng Team Success. Some of you are guests tonight thinking, ano bang meron dito sa iyo sana? Yung lahat na nakita ko bang kanina, yan talagang magiging resulta? Hindi po imposible. Kasi nangyari sa amin eh. Kayo lang naman kami gumaya kay Mentor Natsunya, siya lang naman dati yung may resulta. Pero dahil nakinig kami, kung ano yung resulta niya, yun din yung naging resulta namin. Kung makikinig kayo sa amin, most likely yun din na magiging resulta nyo eventually. No? Mentor May, papaano? You know, success is the science. Kung halimbawa, you're gonna be able to see the potential in this opportunity, see your potential, pinaniwalaan mo, hindi lang sa isip mo, kundi sa puso mo, na kaya mo, in-apply mo, in-actionan mo, yun yung magbibigay ng resulta sa'yo. Believe me or not, ang resulta mo rito is equivalent to the actions that you're gonna give. Okay? And tonight, we're gonna define, ano nga ba yung action na kailangan natin dito para magkaroon ng matinding resulta? Bibigyan ko kayo ng tinatawag na standards of success. I'd like to go through this. If you are having low, pakibasa nga, low, no clarity, how about the potential? Action. May kakilala kayong ganyan? Okay. Huwag niyo tingnan yung katabi niyo. Mag-reflect tayo on our own. Why am I saying this? If this is the kind of belief, potential, action that you have, most likely you are in this category. How would you know? But first, let me show you the result. The result. If you're giving little to no effort, guess what? No reward, no more pain. Do you want this kind of result? Then don't give little effort lang. Okay? How would you know, Mentor May? Ito yung mga normal na mga nagiging saluibin natin. Ready na kayo? Ito yun. Bakit sila may income? Ako wala. Pupunta naman ako ng office. Nagte-training naman ako. Believe me, if this is the kind of mindset that you have, that's the result, that's standard that you're gonna be having. Alam mo na pag walang commitment, walang magiging resulta. It's gonna be painful and it's gonna be having no reward. Nandito ka na sa'yo sana, guys. Nandito ka na. What would you do? Increase our standard. Can you say this? Increase our standard. Dito naman, good. If you want to be a good father, if you want to be a good mother, you want to be a good leader, normally yung good, this is how it's defined. What's the belief? Potential. May kakilala ka? Hindi mo titingnan yung katabi mo, magre-reflect ka. No? Action. If you're this kind, or having this kind of standard, guess what? The results, poor reward, just. In Tagalog, basta-basta lang. Kung ano lang. Do you want that kind of standard? Actually, ito yung result na ayaw natin. Pero paano yun, Mentor May? Diba? Paano malalaman kung nandito ka sa kategoryang to? Normally, ito yung mindset mo. More than a year na ako, di pa rin ako nagkaka-consistent na income. O kaya, di pa rin ako nag-rank advance. Matagal na ako sa rank ko. Bakit di sila nakikinig sa akin? You feel it? Reflect on ourselves. What do we do? Increase our standard. Can you say it? How about this standard of excellence? What's the belief? May kakilala kang ultimate overachiever sa'yo sana? Potential. What's the potential? Yung konti lang yung sinasabi, pero todo yung ginagawa. How about the action? Kita mo naman, nag-work hard. Pero guys, tignan mo ha. I want you to look at this result. If this is your standard, guess what? Good reward. One of the best. Pwede na, one of the best. Diba? Ay, grabe, nasasaktan ako pala to, no? Grabe. I feel it. I feel you kasi ako rin nagre-reflect as I'm looking at this. Okay, here's the mindset if in case you are part of this. I attend all trainings and events. I work so hard. Magaling naman ako. Pero bakit ganon? Even though you work so hard, but you are not happy. Ang tanong mo lagi sa sarili mo, ito na ba talaga lahat? What's your answer? Ito na ba talaga lahat? Are you happy with your result? What do you do? Increase your standard. This is the standard that I like to live with you tonight. And I pray and hope this is gonna be the standard that we're all gonna be having for the next 3 quarters, no? As we start again, the growth incentives. This is the standard about standing. What's the belief? May overachiever na, todo mo pa. What's the potential? Hindi mo na kailangan sabihan. Tinutodo mo na, ibinibigay mo na. How about the action? Push kung kailangan. If you're in this category, if this is the kind of belief you have, what's the result? All the rewards, they stand out. Do you want to stand out? Yes. Do you really want to stand out? Yes. If you really want to stand out, here's the mindset of those people who stand out. Sabi rito, I will make it simple, duplicable, consistent, push kahit sobrang uncomfortable. I'll work on myself even when I don't see results because I'm focused not on the income kasi it will happen, but I'm focused on what I'm becoming. And pag sinabi ng mentor mo mag-present ka, ang sagot mo ay, yes, coach. I'm saying yes to all growth opportunities. Ang mindset natin, I'll do more than what is expected of me. Sino rito ang gusto ng ganito? Guys, this is what the top income earners and top growths are doing. They are in this category. They don't say no when they're given an opportunity to grow. Okay? Pero what if, May? What if maraming struggles? Can I show you my struggle? This was my struggle way back when I was starting. I was willing to give it all out. Pero sometimes, there's still what you call challenges. My brother, I wanted to email him. Sabi ko, Kuya, magko-full-time na ako sa USANA. Sabi ko sa kanya, Kuya and Ate, I would like to give courtesy regarding my decision to do USANA full-time. I know it will be a decision to make, big decision. I did contemplate long, maraming considerations. PGH is a long-time goal. However, there is one thing going through my mind. Sabi ko, to take risk. Sabi ko kasi if I'm seeing myself not staying for long being employed, I might as well do it now than later. It's the same banana, the difference is time. Guys, sobrang liwanag sa akin yung mapapaikli yung oras pag ginawa ko yung USANA. And you know what? Sabi ko sa kanya, I have found the real challenge in what I do now. I have a bigger hope for the future. It may sound ridiculous, but yes, my deeper why for doing USANA has gone bigger. And the two of you are important. Me and my success for the past years in my career because of your unending support. Wala akong pang-enroll nung time na gusto ko mag-review papuntang US. Sila yung nagbibigay. Wala akong pang-apply papuntang US. Sila yung nagbibigay. I have received from both of you so much support despite all the ups and downs. That alone, I'm truly blessed. Please understand me as I go through the journey of life. It'll be hard, but with your presence in God's grace, I know I will make it. This was way back 2011. March. Anong date ngayon? Anong araw? 25. Guys, March 21 yan, 2011. I was so determined, gagawin ko to USANA full-time. Alam mo, sabi niya sa akin, Ling, I tried calling your phone but could not connect for whatever reason. I don't think USANA will be good for the long term. In my opinion, you should have a permanent job with steady paycheck and do this business part-time. But what do I know, right? USANA, I think, is an MLM type of business. Alam niyo na yung MLM, making lives meaningful. Pero sa kanila, iba pa rin ang mindset nila. Sabi niya sa akin, the business model usually stays, but the product usually changes. Grabe, sa USANA, lalong nag-improve, di ba, over the years. Parang sayang lang kasi a lot of my friends are still in the Philippines and wanted to go to other countries like US and Canada and Australia, but has no opportunity of realizing their wishes. You have the perfect opportunity to realize this, but instead, ito yung pinakamasakit sa akin, guys. Sabi niya sa akin, you're trying to squander everything that you work hard for before. Sabi niya, magkano kikitain mo dyan? Gaano karaming gabi ang willing ka i-sacrifice? Kaya ba yan suportahan yung pamilya mo? Marami pang question sa utak niya. But sabi niya, I cannot entrust my future to blind faith. And he thinks USANA is not the answer. Hindi niya nga raw narinig yung product dun eh. But what do I know, right? Alam mo, sabi ko sa kanya, mabilis lang, kuya. Honestly, when you come here, I may already do USANA full-time. What prompted me is the urgency to grow. My orientation widely tells me to do business and not be employed. Pinanindigan ko in short ang USANA kasi dito ko nakikita at hindi na nakikita yung future na nakita ko. For all of you tonight who are listening to me, if you see the potential of your business, huwag kayong magdalawang isip. Whatever the effort that you do for work, ibigay nyo rito, maniwala ka magbabagong buhay mo at ng pamilya mo. Ito yung income namin nung 10 years kami sa USANA. I'm sharing this, iba-ibang effort natin, pero separate kami ng account ni John. Imagine niyo yung 1 business center versus 3 business center. Same effort yan, pero dahil mas matindi yung power ng 3 business center, same effort pero mas malaki ang resulta. So for you who are thinking, magwa-1 ka ba o magti-3? Never doubt, go 3 business center. And believe me, can I update you how much the income is right now? Not to brag kasi mas malaki yung kay Mentor Nat. Pero we're already on the 94 million combined income. Kaya yung sinishare ko sa inyo ngayong gabi, this is the standard that we had during that time. Kung paniniwalaan nyo lang, sasabihin namin, sabi nga ni Mentor Nat, magkakaresulta ka ba? Hindi na mahalaga yon. Ang mahalaga kung anong pinaniniwalaan mo. Ha? And you know what? We brave presentations. Hindi ako magaling, pero pag sinabi sa akin may presentation, yes lang ako ng yes. And you know what? I made a decision to always grow myself. Dennis Waitley, we learned so much from them. Of course, we have Darren Hardy. Sa kanya ko natutunan yung mga, pag meron kang negative, what do you do? Nireject ka, iiyak ka ba? Pwede, pero iyakan mo lang saglit lang and then balik ka ulit sa goal mo kasi mas importante yung goal mo para sa pamilya mo. Guys, we were invited to go to Australia. This was this picture. Tony Robbins. Diyan ko natutunan na ang kailangan pala para magbagong buhay, energy lang. Hindi mo kailangan maging mag-masters, mag-doctorate. Kaya ako pumasok ng PGH kasi libre mag-aral doon eh. Alam ko 1 year after residency, makakapasok ako, mag-masteral ako, magdo-doctorate. Pero rito, kung gusto mong maging successful, hindi mo na kailangan yon. Kailangan mo lang maintindihan yung tinatawag nating success science, the science of success. No? And as for Eric Worre, may poster, merong amateur, merong tinatawag na professional. Huwag kang umasa lang sa timing and positioning. Huwag kang umasa lang dun sa tinatawag na ilalagay sa'yo. Kasi guys, no, to be honest, sa amin, wala namang nilagay eh. I'm sharing this because I realize maraming mga swerte na sinabi na bibigyan kita, lalagyan kita. You're so blessed. Pero what if walang binigay? Your dream doesn't end there. My dream didn't end there. I just keep seeing what I can look at because I know there's so much potential in this USANA opportunity. You know this? Brian Tracy. Robert Kiyosaki. Ha? You know what? There are a lot of mentors we have here in the Philippines. We have mentor Daisy and Romel Balaguer, mentor Ed and Shane Miguel. Of course, okay lang ba? Todo natin mentor Nat and Joan Sunyo. And of course, mentor Clark and Ian de Guzman. Pero sobra akong na-inspire with this person. I don't know if Rachel Marcy is here, pero she said to me before I presented here, nandito ba siya? Sabi niya sa akin, Mentor May, I will watch you. Sabi ko, bakit? Sabi niya, because you give me inspiration, ina-idolize kita. Sabi ko, naku, narinig mo na to. Sabi niya, Mentor, makikinig ako. And I just so appreciate that. Ask me why. Because during that time, 2012, we went to Singapore. I was listening to this person. This is the top income earner of Singapore that time, Jasmine Zhao. You know what? She was wearing this coat, $1 Million Club. Sabi ko sa kanya, nagsishare siya na umiiyak ako for some reason. Hindi dahil iyakin ako, guys. Pero grabe, yung bigyan ka ng privilege na makasuot ng $1 Million Club, yan yung future mo. Grabe, nakakaiyak talaga, nakaka-inspire. I don't know which person inspires you tonight, but believe me, if there's one person, panoorin mo kung anong ginagawa niya. You don't need to ask. Just watch how this person is doing. You will understand paano humataw yan para sa pangarap niya. You follow that person. You know what? Because I was able to have this kind of feeling that I will become a $1 Million Club. Guess what? It was 2020 when God gave us the grace to become a $1 Million Club as well. 8 years after. 8 years after. Grabe, no? Gusto niyo maging $1 Million Club? Ang $1 Million Club po sa iyo, sana kung ngayon ang palitan is 56 pesos per dollar, 56 million pesos ang $1 million. $1 Million Club, yung quote na yan. Si Mentor Nat po, isa sa mga unang recipient. Marami tayong recipient yan dito. Okay? As I end, I'll just leave you to my last two sharing. Why is it May? 14 years after, hindi ka ba na-distract? Dami pong distraction. Pag may income ka na, usually marami ka na option. Did you know that I wanted to become a preschool teacher? I trained for that. Pero hindi ko pinursu kasi na-realize ko ang gift ko na sa iyo sana. There was one time also I wanted to franchise Posh Nails. Mahilig ako magpalinis ng koko, guys. Pero wala nang kulay yung koko ko kasi hahataw na ako eh. Okay lang kahit ganito, kahit pudpud. Pero sabi ko, ito yung gift ko, yung sana eh. Alam ni John yan, matagal ko siyang nililigawan, magnegosyo pa ng iba. Pero bakit ako gagawa ng negosyo na alam ko maglalabas ako ng pera, matagal ang balik ng puhunan, kung ang Yusana naman, matindi na ang binabalik na puhunan, i-workout mo na lang, tutulungan mo pa yung ibang tao. And my answer was this. My answer to this, bakit hindi ka napapagod? Because of Dr. Myron Wen's vision. Ang sabi niya, I dream of a world free from pain and suffering. And every time, alam to ni Sis Maricar, every time I share to people my heart, the reason why I wanted everyone to have this, what you call quality health, gift of health, is because I imagine, hindi lang yung tao pinapresentahan ko, kundi yung mahal nyo sa buhay. If your family will have what you call free from pain and suffering, maiiwasan yung pagkakasakit, maiiwasan yung gastos, and for sure, walang magkakaroon ng matinding gastos at sakit. Tama ba? Do you imagine if you're sharing Yusana, you're not just after the income that this person can have, but this person and his family or her family can be free from pain and suffering. That has been so far, yung nakikita kong dahilan kung bakit nagstay ako ito for 14 years. But more importantly, let me emphasize this. It was because of this person as well. Mentor Merclarion. And his wife na nandito, si Doc Den, I just wanna recognize her. Ate Den, tatayo ka rito one day. Kailangan, tuloy natin yung legacy na yan. Kailangan natin ituloy yung legacy. This person, without a doubt, helps a lot of associates like us to see the vision of Dr. Myron Wens. I remember, may kasamahan tayo dito may sakit. Sabi ko, that time he wasn't feeling well already. He was having chest pains. And you know what? During pandemic, sabi niya, tuloy natin yung training na yan. Sabi ko, mentor, hindi sasapat kasi maraming nasa ibang lugar takot pa lumabas. Pero alam mo, tinuloy niya. Pero alam mo kung saan ako naggulat? Tanong niyo sa akin saan? Sabi ko kasi, mentor, yung kikitain nito, bibigay natin yung sobra dun sa taong kailangan tulungan. Pero alam mo sabi niya, after ng training, hindi may ibigay mo buong buo yung perang yan para matulungan yung pamilya niya. So sabi ko, yun yung dahilan na hindi tayo titigil lang yung sana kasi marami tayong matutulungan tao rito. Tama ba? Yes? Let's continue the legacy, guys. And guys, no, if you want to join, we have this what you call opportunity to help more people in our very simple way. No, last time, just this February, instead na mag-celebrate kami ng birthday outside, it was a base and at the same time Hannah's birthday, we went to an orphanage and celebrated with the other kids. Grabe no? 14 years ago, wala akong opportunity makatulong. Pero grabe, buti na lang through Usana. It goes beyond the blessing that you can give to others. I wanna say hi to Rich and Don. Nagbigay din sila. Salamat sa puso nyo. Maniwala ka, gusto mo magkaroon ng success sa Usana? You have to look beyond what you are looking right now. Look beyond yourself. Bro, gusto mo magbago buhay mo? Huwag mong tingnan yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Tumingin ka sa mga taong nangangailangan. Maniwala ka, kahit wala kang inspirasyon, magkakaroon ka ng will, ng fire, ng desire na tumulong. Magiging successful ka. And as I end, last slide na lang talaga to. You know, last year, I haven't told this to everyone, but I want to share it. No, overtime na raw ako, pero thank you. Finally, last na slide. You know, my mother got sick. And this was my burden last year, hindi ako makahataw. Kasi deep inside, sabi ko, dapat ako yung tumingin sa nanay ko. I don't know with you, no? Pero 14 years ago, I prayed. Sabi ko, Lord, ito na ba talaga yung opportunity na gagawin ko? But you know what? I told myself, sabi ko, Lord, sabihin mo lang, show me, and I will follow. Kahit blindly, if this is for your will, I will follow. I had this patient. You guys heard some of you already this before, pero tita, may patient po ako sa PGH. As an ER nurse, normal sa amin na may stage 4 cancer. Yung dila niya na maliit na yan, kasing laki ng bola ng basketball. Pero hindi normal na laki lang. Nangingitim na. Na-imagine nyo, buhay ka pa, nabubulok ka na. 5 months ago, normal ang buhay nila, pero 5 months after, wala na silang pera. And the husband, I was asking, Tay, may panggamot na kayo? Sabi niya, wala pa. Sabi ko, kailangan po mabigay kay nanay. Payat na si nanay, yung kanyang kinakain, pumapasok na lang sa ilong. Gatas na Bear Brand na Tetra Pak, kasi yun lang yung kaya nila. Sabi ko, the following day, sila pa rin yung pasyente ko, Tay, may gamot na ba kayo? Alam mo sabi ni tatay? Ang sabi niya sa akin, ang dami ko na nahiraman, naubos na yung pera ko, walang-wala na. Nurse, nag-sign na po kami ng form. Sabi ko, anong form po? Nag-sign kami ng home against medical advice. Sabi ko, bakit po? Hindi pa natin na-admit si nanay. Alam mo, sabi ni tatay, walang-wala na kaming pera, nangutang na kamit lahat. Hahayaan ko na lang siyang mamatay. Alam mo, nung narinig ko yun, tumalikod daw kasi sobrang sakit. Sabi ko, kung may pera lang ako, tutulungan ko sila, pero ako mismo walang-wala. And that made my decision. Sabi ko, starting today, I will file my 15-day irrevocable resignation. I will do Usana full-time. Not because of the income, but because I was thinking, okay, I can help if given, I will share this one. Pero, ito yung pinakamatindi. Sabi ko, pag may naging emergency sa bahay namin, nanay ko nagkasakit, single parent, malamang wala rin akong pera. Malamang mangungutang ako. Ayaw magpautang ng mga kamag-anak namin. College pa nga lang ako eh. Walang nagpapautang that time sa amin. 5,000 nga lang hiniram namin. Overnight kong iniyakan, hindi pa ako naka-exam. Kaya pinangako ko sarili ko, talagang mag-aaral ako mabuti. Kaya alam, sabi ko, ito ba yung resulta ng aral na mabuti? Happy ka na ba talaga? O tingin mo, deserving mo pa na magkaroon ng magandang buhay? I praise God, I made that decision, that guidance to do this full time. Kahit sinabihan ako ng nanay ko, ang tigas na ulo ko ngayon. Noong time na yan, last year, nung nalaman namin, somehow, hindi na ako masyado gulat na gulat, pero nalungkot ako, no? Pero ang sabi ko, may Usana, that's number 1. Number 2, I have already a time. Guys, 8 oras nasa operating room yung nanay ko, pero nandoon ako nagdadasal, sabi ko, sana buhayin niyo po siya. Sabi ko, buti na lang, nag-Usana ako, dahil hindi problema ang oras. Mga kapatid ko, lahat walang oras, ako lang yung nandoon nagbabantay. I don't know with you, pero maybe you can ask yourself, did you promise yourself mag-give back ka? Did you promise one day tutulungan mo yung pamilya mo? Sabi nila, tita, okay lang ba i-recognize ko lang sa tita? Tita Yoli, ayan, tita Al, tita Zoni, mga 70 plus natin, pero mature ang tawag, hindi senior ha. Di ba tita Naya, hindi dapat senior, dapat mature lang. Kaya po I respect mature women natin. Sabi nila, alam mo kaya namin ginagawa niyo sana? Kasi ayaw rin din lang manghingi sa anak nila. Kung may paraan na kasi sila magbibigay para sa anak nila, gagawin nila. And I wanna honor you kasi because yung puso nyo bilang nanay, ganun pa rin. Sabi ko, ito yung future ko eh. Buti na lang nag-Usana tayo. Buti na lang pinili nyo mag-Usana. Hindi ba po huli ang lahat? Ang pinaka-may edad po na nag-Usana, si Edna Northrop, she's 91 years old. She started late. She became $1 million club at around that age. So hindi ba po kayo may edad? Hindi ba po kayo matanda? Batang-bata pa kayo. Lalong bata pa sa Usana. Guys, I hope, no, uuwi tayo. Gusto kong ipunin nyo yung lakas ng loob na yan. Take the big risk. Itodo mo. This year, i-promise mo, gagawin mo yung todo mo. Can you say yes? Yes! Say yes! Yes! Make your move! Yes! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Looking forward. Maraming magra-rank advance sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much to our one-star Diamond Director, Mentor May Razon Baez. Guys, palakpakan naman natin ulit siya. Alright, so guys, tonight, syempre, patapos na ang training natin, but we encourage you to connect with Mentor May even after this training. Message her, diba? Give her your words of thanks. Get your advice, diba? Sobrang daming Diamond Directors who are willing to help us. And of course, salamat po, Mentor May, sa time.
Salamat, Nina, at Architect Nina, for giving us the grace to host for our event tonight.
Yes.
You wanna be successful? Be like Nina. She's serving for the team. Grabe. Thank you so much.
Thank you po, Mentor. And guys, before we end the night, syempre meron tayong mga announcements. Okay, so for our announcements, please direct your attention to our screen on both sides of the room. Pwede na po naman tayong umupo. Right. Grabe ba yung training, guys? Dami bang natutunan? Grabe, no? Ngayon ko lang nalaman, adventure seeker pala si Mentor May. Grabe. Pwede ba tayong make ng promise na tayo rin magiging adventure seekers, magiging risk takers? Yes daw ba? Yes? Yes, okay. So, siguro share ko lang no yung mga learnings. Dala ko pa yung notebook ko, di ba? Sino yung may notebook dito kayon? Sino yung nag-take ng notes? Alright, so yung share, I will just share a little bit of my learning, no? Siyempre yung kanina, yung tumatak talaga sa akin is, grabe, adventure seeker talaga, no? Loving life and living it talaga si Mentor May Baez. And of course, yung increasing the standard of your success. Tama ba yon, guys? And saying yes to all the opportunities na ino-offer sa'yo. Kasi minsan lang may dumating na opportunity like Usana, we have the vision, we have the products, all we have to do is think beyond ourselves, di ba? And just do it, okay? So, for our announcements, for the TA and DG or Top Apprentice and Directors Guild, guys, you can still run the round table for 2024. Yan. So how to qualify, di ba? Yung DG natin, you must be a director in rank and earn, of course, a total income of 50,000 pesos within 4 weeks. Okay? So, Directors Guild, director, and 50,000 in 4 weeks. Okay? So, for our top apprentice roundtable naman, you have to accumulate a total income of 30,000 pesos within 6 weeks. Okay? So, paano nyo ma-achieve yon? Just please talk to your coaches and mentors kung paano ang strategy natin to hit those round table incentives. Siyempre, sulit na sulit yan, guys, kasi we get to rub elbows, di ba, with our mentors and coaches for long hours. Grabe, no? Sulit na sulit. So, guys, talk to your coaches and your mentors kung paano nyo may hit ang TA and DG. All right. Next, we have our power hour this Wednesday, 10 a.m. Grabe, Dr. Attorney Maria Angela Aguinaldo, the newly married. Okay, getting to, rekindling the lost art of closing. So that is this Wednesday, 10 a.m. Yun ang ating power hour session for this week. Grabe. And of course, for our Wednesday Health and Freedom or presentations, guys, palakpakan naman natin sila Coach Job, Doc Noel for organizing such an amazing income booster for your presentations. No, face-to-face to, guys, sa BES House of Chicken sa Centris. Okay, that is 7 p.m. Wednesday with none other than Coach Mayan Magsino and our Diamond Director, di ba? Coach Camille Glian. Right, and guys, don't miss ang pinaka-grabe. Reigning diamonds talaga, no? We have the USANA Diamond University here in Manila, of course, with none other than Mentor May Bais and Mentor Camille, Diamond Directors, guys. So be sure to attend here. Okay, this is open to all. This is on Tuesday, March 26, 2024. Tomorrow, guys. Okay, so registration opens at 5:30. Guys, 5:30, pero agahan nyo because sure ako, mauubusan kayo ng upuan. Okay? For Cebu, we have, of course, Shepo, Cabardo, and Jolo Abella gracing us for the Cebu leg of the Diamond University. So guys, this is Tuesday as well, March 26. So talk to your coaches para maka-attend ng amazing trainings na to with, of course, messages from our USANA corporate. And of course, if you want your members to be recognized here at our Monday Hustle, be sure to scan the QR code para ma-recognize sila sa next Monday. Okay, so weekly cutoff is Tuesday. Okay? Alright, so that is it for our announcements. Salamat naman. Palakpakan naman natin ang isa't isa. And that is it for our Monday Hustle. Salamat, Mentor May. Mabuhay ka. Good evening and God bless.